Hey guys, so the blinkers on this car stopped working. All the electrical plus the fuses is good. So I need to just see what we can do. I have the screwdriver. It's too small for this clip, but the one that I have that is the right size for this clip, the handle's too long to get any leverage, so I just gotta wiggle it out there. Let's see. Here. Hopefully this will be the fix, but right now I'm just trying to focus on diagnosing it. This thing is super annoying, so damn. As you can see, I didn't really want to have to do that, but we'll survive, I think. No, previously I used pliers to get that out. I don't really have the right pliers because all my stuff got left out in the rain. But let's see. Wish I had my needle noses, as those are probably the actual right tool for the job on that one. So let's see if we can just wiggle this jig out. See here, for some reason it just doesn't work. The blinker. Huh. But see the sound on that one, I don't know. Let's see here. Okay, moment. Truth is that, let's see here.